Good evening, everyone. So today we are going to discuss about how learning and natural language processing is helping in digital receipt data extraction. So most often what happens that whenever we do any kind of transaction, so it comes in form of some receipt, right, which contains your details like what is your merchant, what is your receipt ID, and some more items, and the respective quantities, total amount, what is maybe your email address maybe on it, or maybe the merchant email address on it. So, what happens that as a business consultancy service, one must ask to have a gather data of of a large chunk of PDF available. So what they can do, so they can use this tool. So these tools which I have created using natural language processing and machine learning, so this tool here has a complete full stack web solution. In this, you can upload your PDF data. It will have its unique idea, the uploaded ID, the file, whether the file is a valid PDF file or not. It will process underneath. Then it will undergo the pipeline of extracting the relevant features, tables, custom labels from the uploaded PDF, and then uh, append to our database. So finally, so I will show you how you can use the service. So let us go to my GitHub. So I'll show you service in action. So let's have a quick demo about it. How does it work? So first of all, so if I give you a very brief overview, so I have utilized FastAPI for my backend and Streamlit for my front end. Initially, I was trying to deploy it using a React, JavaScript, and a Tailwind script, but what happened that there was some conflict error. That's why I couldn't do it. But Streamlit is also a very popular library when it comes to data science, machine learning, natural language processing, and model deployment. And it goes well hands in hands with Pythonic syntax, since FastAPI is also written in Python, and Streamlit is also written in Python. So that's the benefit of it. So to run this software, what you need to do? You need to, first of all, I'll give you a quick demo. How does it work? So first of all, let's just go to the root directory. This is my receipt automation root directory. What will I do? I will activate my virtual environment. Here it is, RVENV. I have named it. So in Windows, RVENV. It should auto complete. Let's first check what is my Python version. So I am using Python 3.13. So to activate the virtual environment, RVENV scripts activate. So you are under the virtual environment. Now you want to first activate the backend fast API, which is running on UVCon server. So for that, what you need to do, you need to go to backend and run the UVCon main server, UVCon main app, and we want it to run infinitely until unless someone force close it. So for that, we gave it double dash reload, and UVCon's running on this port. So you can, okay. So details not found, but UVCon is running. So for the actually to see your API calls, whatever I have, you can go to docs, which will redirect you to this Swagger documentation. So here I have all the backend APIs, right? process receipts, get search receipt ID. So say you want to list all the receipts, you can just try it out here. So say you want to search receipts by receipt ID. You want to search receipt. Say I want to search receipt 15. And what is executed? Receipt not found. Maybe receipt 17. 404 not found. UV count backend. Okay. Now for that, I will also, for the front end part, I will also activate my virtual environment and run it, run my Streamlit front end. What? No such command as app.py. Yes, because Streamlit requires one more command, which is run. So till this much it is good, running fine. Now what do I want to see? I want to see my receipt process receipts. So all my process receipts are here, right? So some of the files are not valid, like those in the receipts ID to process. So say I want to validate. So first of all, you want to, before using this service, I want must tell you that since I was for looking for 17, right? 17. I must go to app first. So let me first upload a file, a simple, say this snack file. The snack file, open it first. Let us see what is there inside of it. So it is a simple receipt. It has some details about it. Regular check, tomato bill. These are the quantities. Subtotal is 24. Total is $29.61. So let us see what does the model do about it. $29.61. Let's just keep that total number in mind. So first of all, we will click upload to see whether the file is, yes, file upload successfully, and ID is 35. Now we want to validate that same file. So yes, ID is 35. Now what you want to go, you want to go to see where all the files are available. So all the files get saved here. So 35, right? Last uploaded file was 35. Receipt ID is 35. Say we want to process it, and what we get, just purchased it file path. It is not able to extract it. Uh, let's go to receipts page, enter ID to process. Say, I want ID 35. So purchased at 5 o'clock, hotel migrate, but it is not able to extract the details. Show process database. Show process database. So it is not able to extract that much of relevant information. Say I want to test this on some other app, some other kind of. Say I want to go to this CVS 2023. So what happens? Let's just click upload. It is given in 36 ID. So last uploaded file, if we click validate, it will take 36 and it is uploaded here. Okay, is valid, is true. Now we will go to receipts page and we will see 36 is there. I want to see what is the results for 36. What are the results for 36? It is able to extract quite a lot of details from the receipt, like receipt ID, purchased at, merchant name, what is the merchant name, it's something, file path, payment details, card details, customer email address with business type, updated at. Nice. Let us see, we want to see on some random details, say 17, some process ID 17. Hmm. Purchased at, some details is there. Total expenditure. Here you see total. It is able to extract total amount $59.21, and the details as well. Customer email is this, business email is this, and saved results. Now say I want to see this on say 18. Yep, it is able to extract a lot of details from here. Here it is able to extract total expenditure $15. Nice. So yes, the application is working very nice. So if someone wants to know the entire database, so someone go here, can go here. They can see the entire database, whatever the processed files in the directory are. So some of examples I have given by myself, how to you can use this tool. So to know more about this how the software runs, so I have created a complete GitHub repository. So I will share this GitHub repository as well as zip file link for your reference. So here is my GitHub link. This entire repository is here, source code. So here my backend. In the backend, if you look at the backend, this is a backbone of the core software, how the different operations are being created, right? So if we go and discuss this complete backend, it will take a lot of time. So here all the uploaded files for the file time being, they are uploaded here. If someone wants to deploy it on their own cloud server or maybe some Amazon web service, some S3 bucket, so we can give the file path accordingly and then utilize those providing services. So the advantage of this running this locally or with cloud support is that with cloud support you will have this compute clusters. You will have cloud GPU support. You will have a Kubernetes support, Dockerize. You can run multiple Docker containers. So that is a very good like practices when it comes to deploying these services to production. But for the time being, it is running on render. It's a free-based platform service. I've tried to deploy it. It is running on render as well. So one can go visit render link as well. And here is everything is discussed here. So first of all, how you can run this on your local device, how one can like replicate the same thing in the local device and maybe made some changes to how these parts and logics are used to extract relevant feature informations from the extracted text, right? So yes, so it is a receipt management system. It is a full stack receipt automation system that allows users to upload, process, and manage their receipts accordingly, right? So for you to use this project, you first need to create a directory where you want to run all this file, maybe some project one, project two, or maybe whatever name you want to give to it. Then go inside that project repository, clone this GitHub link, and I will strongly recommend creating a virtual environment. If you do not have a virtual environment, what I have seen that in with global Python, the software is conflicting. So specifically, I have used a virtual environment which is compatible for the software. So and for the whatever software and whatever modules version would we use, they are saved in this requirement.txt file. So if you go if you go here, you will find this requirement.txt file. So it will contain all the packages and their versions, right? And from where they to download which package. So everything is thoroughly discussed here. So you can just copy paste this. I will strongly recommend this key. You copy paste this in your own requirement.txt file and run your program. So after what happens that you have installed all your packages, now you want to start your backend first. To go. to start your backend, go to the backend folder by cd backend, and then you UVCon run your main app. So it will expose all your API endpoints to localhost, right? If you are running it locally. So then from there on, you can use this API endpoints to get, post, upload whatever files, validate systems. So you can do all of these, but at the same time you want a front end for the user, for but to interface for user communication as well, because not everybody is like able to use this tools, right? So you backend tools, so you need a good front end as well. So for that, I've created the entire front end in Streamlit, and they are in front end folder. So go to the front end folder and then Streamlit and app.py. Now I've already exposed all the backend port and the front end port. In this case, FastAPI is running on backend port 8000, and this Streamlit running on its default 8501 port. So they are already configured for the time being, and API base also set for localhost 8000 port, right? But in deployment purposes, you may want to change it accordingly. But for the local purpose, this will work fine. So thank you very much. If you have any queries or questions about it, you can open a forum, GitHub discussion about it, as well as you can reach out to my LinkedIn. So I'll show you my LinkedIn profile as well. So here is my LinkedIn profile. You can visit my LinkedIn profile, my work. What? Okay. It is telling me to sign up. Okay. So I'll share my LinkedIn account in my GitHub. It is also there. So here it is my GitHub. So you can find here all your details. Thank you.